A rainy day. After hot days of summer, a rainy day is welcomed. In summer, the heat of the sun becomes unbearable. Ponds become dry. Birds and animals feel thirsty. All men, women, and children feel uneasy during hot days. With the falling of rains, every living being gets happy. Frogs in the pond cry at the top of their voice. The buffaloes enjoy bath in water ponds. People come out in rain coat and use umbrellas during rains. Children start playing in the rainy day. On a rainy day, the cool breeze blows. Muddy water begins to flow. Weather becomes pleasant due to rains. Farmers have a sign of relief after rains. They start plowing their fields. Peacocks present a fine show of dance during rainy days. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.